don't forget to subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How are you today? On the last video that I have uploaded, I defined what is Mayana and how to plant a Mayana. So now on this video, I will share to you the reasons why you should have Mayana in your garden. But first, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. To proceed, I will be giving to you the 3 reasons why we should have Mayana in our garden. Number 1. Mayana is a natural analgesic. Scientific studies here and abroad have isolated a mixture of analgesic compounds from the leaves of the Mayana herb. Analgesic compounds help relieve pain. Thus, if you have a painful headache, you could try crushing Mayana leaves and applying them to your temple and nape. Second, Mayana has antimicrobial property. Another scientific study revealed that Mayana has a compounds that fights against bacteria. This is why the extract from the crushed Mayana leaves can be used to disinfect wounds and cuts. The same extract can also be used to cure sore eyes. Third, Mayana has anti-inflammatory uses. Crushed Mayana leaves can be directly applied to sprains and burns. This is because the Mayana has natural anti-inflammatory properties that would reduce swelling and discomfort. Plants are not purely decorative. Many plantitos and plantitas also take care of plants and herbs for medicinal purposes. In this video, we have talked about Mayana or the painted coleus. There are several reasons why this pretty plant can be kept in your garden, not just to beautify but also to boost your health. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. You take care and see you on my next video.
Please don't forget to subscribe.